And that's why there's a lot of checks and balances, even in those crime labs of other people checking each other's work. Let's go back in and hearing more from the forensic scientist, Maureen Hartnett, who was under direct examinations. Back now to Massachusetts, where it's day 19 of the killer or cover-up murder trial, where prosecutors say that Karen Reed intentionally backed into her Boston police officer boyfriend, John O'Keefe, and left him to die in the snow. Now, her defense claims that there's a massive police cover-up going on, and they will get a chance to cross-examine the witness who's on the stand now, a forensic scientist who is pointing to that vehicle that she was driving having been involved in some kind of a collision. Still with us, national trial attorney Mike Jaafar. Michael, do you think there's any other explanation for some of the things that we are seeing from this forensic scientist other than a cover-up? The hair, the dent, the scratches, the broken taillight.
I mean, the other explanation is that she actually backed into him, right? It's not conclusive either way. And I've been waiting for a smoking gun in this case since the case began. But you can see it both ways. I used the analogy in the prior block that this is turning into this specific expert. Her testimony could be a Rorschach test. A lot of the evidence in this case could be a Rorschach test. So the question in this case is, did she back into him or did she not? That has not been answered conclusively, but definitely it has not been shown that this is for sure a conspiracy, but that specter has been floated, and the attorneys for Karen Reed have done a good job on cross-examining every single witness that the prosecution has brought forward. But I just don't know, but I am waiting to see how they cross-examine this particular witness.
Yeah, of course, the prosecution hopes that this kind of evidence is conclusive, but it sounds like you're saying it still can go either way despite what the forensic scientist is presenting. Let's go in and hear more from